Okay, before you look how you using this like electronic assessment program yeah. You time you kiss in this program you must save him inside one folder. You save him inside one folder past him. Now okay you use him. You can open him na use him. Now suppose you lose him tas all outside the desktop na you open him na use him na time you generate him all report cards na all SIPs na SES. You generate him all all by osem full up him this all space inside the desktop lo you ya na sample time osem all documents be foul. So you must save him inside loan folder so that time I'm generating more report cards all report cards na SIPs na SES na SEPs o gata ba present him all go inside this load folders one folders and create him number generate him all. We'll look at that one later. But basically for this assessment program, the most important information that you are going to fill in is the ones that I found in homepage. You must fill in year. Okay, that's the first thing. Suppose you assess all sumatin blue law 2025, you write it 2025. Suppose 2026, write it 2026. Finish, you come down school name, school code, province name, province code. This la information but you need him law SIBs. Okay, school name na school code but you need him to law report cards na all SEPs na SES all this la yeah, but you need him also. You must enter him around here. Finish, you come down school fee information, law 1 grade. Okay, this level school fee information the 1 grade M by you need him to law report cards. You got 1 plus section M stop yeah. This last section M by automatically generate him. Time you fill him up this last space lo here. This last space school fee information yeah. By subtract him lo hamas sumatin by finish lo admission records belong by you enter him go down lo here. So hamas money and buying finish lo side by this la project fee. Sorry, no school fee but project fee yeah. Okay, when amas and paying finish long and by generating lo yeah now outstanding yeah and by calculating difference lo this la paid school fee plus the school fee that is written down here. So you must write him good this la school fee go down now and by presenting good amount per school fee lo paid school fee and then outstanding fee yeah and by presenting good lo report card. Now by you use him lo beginning blue. I mean also Martin blue. Okay. Side the school fee. Okay, you come down low assessment period total marks. This la kind of you miss need him, for example, 200 marks. At the end of assessment period 1, we need to have 200 marks or 100 marks for several certain grade. Kind of simple grade 2, let's say 50 marks at the end of assessment period 1. Kind of same. So you enter him go down. Grade 3, 100 marks at the end of assessment period 1. Kind of same. Alright, so this log at assessment periods 1 up to 4. Okay. Me just put in 4 that's all. Me no sabi got assessment period 4. No got them awesome you yet. Okay. So this la assessment periods 3 na 4 I think you may need him no grades 7 na 8 that's all. Or grades 1 to 6 same assessment period 1 na 2 that's all. Okay. Alright, you finish lo here you come down long all achievement grades yeah. Percentage breakup long all stop lo here. You make it A plus is 95 to 100 and then A 90 to 94, A minus 85 to 89 and some all the way down to F. So all these all achievement grades want them all percentage breakup long all stop. You can make adjustments wherever there is need. You make adjustments. Okay. I'm the 1 grades 1 up to 8. So you make adjustments accordingly. Check the assessment coordinator as well as your assessment policy, yeah, school assessment policy. Yeah, you check him this la, consult him na, whatever that is required to be filled in, especially for achievement grades. Now break up percentage belong all. You must give him this all information. You fill him all go down here. Okay, and then we have the photo for assessment coordinator. This one is just for information. You must fill him out down this la. Make him in a way that you crop him. Crop him now. You fill him up so that you have a small photo inserted here. And then their name, assessment coordinator's name, na signature belong him. Signature belong him. You tap him this letter so na you find him. One kind of narapol photos. Select him na you open him na by insert him go inside lo here. Now the signature here is needed because assessment coordinator no naplo sign him this log at some okata report cards lo same time so signature belong him by stop ta solo here. Time you insert him lo hap want them name belong him. assessment coordinator's name na signature belong by generate him lawyer automatically. So that is why it's important to fill in this gap as well. Name na photo blow signature belong. Okay, time you finish, you come down lo add teacher to one kind photo belong na signature belong plus name belong. You insert him go down lo ya. Signature belong by you need him lo sibs. Time you generate him all sibs automatically by generate him signature belong. Not really needed, but also it's a need that you must insert the signature for your head teachers down. Okay, school heads letter, school head letter or letterhead below school not really necessary, but if you have one, just insert it down for information only. And then we have homeroom teachers. Homeroom teachers lo 1 grader, you must write him name lo around layer so that lo report cards and by automatically generating these names lo here. And by generating, for example, suppose let's say we got grade, let's say grade 2 Mr. Tamol for grade 2 time we go back and lo report cards by me look him okay, this is grade 3, so me go back and lo grade 2. We go back and look grade 2 na looking by him looking Mr. Tamal stop. Alright. So you must over the time fill him this la gap lo all homeroom teachers must write him all around. Okay, you finish lo here, come on some lab side. You got an accessible subjects information here. Lo grades 1 all the way down to grade 8. This la ogataya amas plus subjects you offer him lo 1 grade but you enter him all around lo here. Na all short form belong all to stop lab site ya. You look him short form ya M2 by you enter him go down. Now the codes are not really on it will be generated automatically. The codes will be generated automatically, so no can worry lo this la. The cells here are also locked, so you don't need lo enter him all codes go down there. But all short forms all you need him because time you come lo 1 this all 1 all assessment. Let's say assessment sheets here. All this all short form all by present him all on top here, so that you know where to give the or enter the marks down. 1M plus sheet, but you need to enter the marks plus 1M plus subjects. Okay. Now that is why short forms are needed. Now codes are just for buttons. Here you may get button below navigate go lo 1 subjects here. All codes below all but stop below here. So all codes lo 1 subject generate him lo here behind him name. So time you write him name lo here go down by looking most code below him by generate him go down. Now short form you need lo fill him. Okay, so that's basically what we need to look at for the home sheet. By me look to lo all SES, all SEPs, assessment period sheets yeah, lo 1 subjects yeah. By me look long em lo 1 grade as well as the report cards, and we also have blank SEPs. How to use all this will be looked at in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe now so that whenever I upload new guides on electronic assessment systems, you will be the first to receive notification. Okay, thank you.